Hi everyone! Today we're taking a look at the Magcubic HY300 Max Projector. We'll test all of these features today, and honestly, I already like what I'm seeing so far. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. First, we have a smaller box inside. There's the remote control for the projector. It uses two AA batteries, nothing complicated. Next, we get the power adapter included in the package. This is what you'll use to power the HY300 Max. There's also a user manual, pretty straightforward. Explains all the basics. And here it is, the projector itself. And I have to say, it looks really nice. It feels like a more serious, almost premium model. Let me show it to you from all angles. The build quality is surprisingly good. Something really interesting. You can pull out this small plastic piece to regularly clean the fan filter, a simple feature, but genuinely useful. The projector also has an adjustable stand, so you can easily angle it up or down. On the back, we have the adapter input, a USB port, an HDMI port, and the power button. I really like the design so far, and we're going to test it very soon. Now let's plug it in. And turn it on. Alright, here's the image the Magcubic HY300 Max can produce. For a projector with around 400 lumens, I'm pleasantly surprised by the brightness and color quality, even from different angles. On the main menu, you can jump straight into HDMI USB playback. The HY300 Max has automatic keystone correction and automatic focus, and you can still adjust everything manually if needed. Network settings let you choose between Wi-Fi connection or hotspot mode, depending on how you want to connect. There's Bluetooth as well, so you can pair speakers, headphones, and other devices. In applications, you'll find all the pre-installed Android apps are ready to use. The language and keyboard menu includes a wide list of system languages, the same as on regular Android devices. You can set the time manually or keep it automatic, like I do here. In other settings, you get additional options plus the factory reset feature if you ever need it. And in system information, you can see all the specs: 1280 by 720 resolution, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and Android 14. More than enough for a projector like this. Here on YouTube, the image looks very clean, colors are nice, and the picture is sharp. I'm connected through HDMI at the moment. Let's test the speakers.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
The sound is surprisingly good, loud, clear, and perfectly fine even in a louder room. Really solid audio performance. And here's another clip. Again, the picture stays sharp and stable. And that's it for the HY300 Max review. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this. The product link is in the description. See you next time.